In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin to your PayPal. So first thing you need to do is to go and log into any cryptocurrency app that you or website that you are currently logged in. And so in here, I choose Binance. After choosing Binance, all you need to do is to go ahead and deposit or withdraw. So you have to withdraw all your funds after exchanging your Bitcoin to balance. So after that, you withdraw your balance to an online bank. After withdrawing it to an online bank, you have to confirm the order after entering the amount and select the payment. After confirming the order, you would now need to go ahead and click on transfer funds on PayPal. After clicking on transfer funds at PayPal, you have to log in the bank account that you have withdrawn. And after that, you have to transfer the funds from that bank account to the PayPal app. And that's it. That's how you would be able to transfer Bitcoin to PayPal.